Welcome back, investors, to Ticker Time News. I'm Adam, and today we're talking about Coinbase, ticker symbol COIN, C-O-I-N, and we're going to try to figure out its share price. So make sure you watch until the end to get my price target for Coinbase. Coinbase is the largest cryptocurrency exchange in the US and one of the biggest exchanges in the world. The company dumped a traditional IPO this year and went public via a direct listing instead, which created a lot of uncertainty around what's fair market value for its stock. Even though Coinbase has roughly 50 cryptocurrencies available for trading, much of the focus of its share price has been tied to Bitcoin. If Bitcoin goes up, so does Coinbase's share price, and vice versa. But Bitcoin going down should also, I believe in theory, should raise Coinbase's share price too. I mean, one of the ways Coinbase makes its money, after all, is with transaction fees. So if you're investing in Coinbase, it's important to realize that Bitcoin is just one piece of the puzzle. Something else to consider is that growth and technology stocks across the board have been taking a beating as investors chase after reopening stocks, value stocks, even energy stocks. I bring this up because Coinbase fits into both camps, technology and growth. This has hurt its share price too. Now, back to Bitcoin for a moment. When Coinbase DPO'd, we had the Coinbase effect on Bitcoin's price, and yes, on other coins setting all-time highs too. But Bitcoin and Coinbase both set new all-time highs, with Bitcoin reaching 64,800 and Coinbase going as high as 429. Since then, Bitcoin has fallen and Bitcoin has taken shares of Coinbase down with it. I bring this up because based on the trading history between the two, if Bitcoin were to settle around, say, 30K range, shares of Coinbase would likely be sitting around $200 based on current market sentiment. Remember, the mission of Coinbase is to create an open financial system and build what it calls the crypto economy. The company should not be valued on Bitcoin's performance, but Coinbase makes money from cryptocurrency transactions. The more volatile Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, Dogecoin, all of the coins are, the more transactions and revenue Coinbase makes. I do understand Wall Street has yet to figure out crypto and Coinbase. It's relatively new, and many investors are still trying to understand both crypto and Coinbase also. This is why shares of Coinbase move alongside Bitcoin at the moment. But that should change as Wall Street starts to value the company based on its fundamentals and what it does, from acquisitions to adding more cryptocurrencies to their exchange, rather than what Bitcoin is doing at the moment. Coinbase reported Q1 revenue of $1.8 billion in revenue, growth of nearly 850% on a year-over-year basis, and more than 200% compared to the previous quarter. Yet, despite the massive surge in revenue, the results still missed expectations, as Wall Street was expecting $1.81 billion in revenue. Coinbase shouldn't be punished in share price and valuation just because Wall Street doesn't understand crypto and Coinbase. Coinbase's quarterly report was solid across the board. It's Wall Street that missed, not Coinbase. The company's net profit for the quarter jumped to $771 million, more than 4x higher than the previous quarter, and 24x higher year over year. The company reported substantial user growth, as the crypto giant had 56 million users, compared to just 34 million users last year. The new users included more than 8,000 institutional investors and more than 134,000 ecosystem partners in more than 100 countries. Retail monthly transacting users, MTUs, also grew to 6.1 million in Q1, more than doubling compared to the previous quarter. Trading volume soared from 30 billion to 335 billion, and assets on the platform grew from 17 billion to 223 billion. Another positive for investors is that the crypto market capitalization reached nearly $2 trillion at the end of Q1 2021, compared to 782 billion at the end of Q4 2020. And because Coinbase makes the majority of its revenue through transactions, seeing user growth and the crypto market volatility is all positives for Coinbase. Now, I can't stress enough to investors that you must understand that Coinbase makes 95% of its money from transactions. I keep saying it over and over. The volatility in cryptocurrencies are a great thing for shareholders. More transactions mean more revenue for the company. Slow and steady moves up and to the right is good for the crypto market, but are not going to drive transaction fees for Coinbase. Volatility in cryptocurrencies is exactly what you want to see if you are a Coinbase shareholder. And Bitcoin's recent 50% plunge and recovery is driving plenty of transactions for Coinbase. This isn't new to Bitcoin either. It has gone through plenty of massive swings over the years, and this volatility is exactly why Coinbase has a bright future. Based on Q1 results and management's upbeat tone regarding Q2, the company will likely see revenue around $7 billion this year. This is well above analyst forecast of $6.2 billion. Wall Street just doesn't understand crypto and Coinbase yet. If they did, where should Coinbase's share price be? Well, on price to sales, Coinbase currently trades at less than 7x forward sales. This is quite low considering the company will likely see revenues surge more than 400% this year. Just based on 10x or even 15x sales this year, shares would be worth $336 or $505. This is still relatively low considering most growth and tech stocks are trading between a 15x and a 30x sales at the moment and are less profitable. In fact, companies like PayPal and Square, which have joined the crypto market, currently have PEs of 53 and 140 and trade at 8x and 13x sales. With cryptocurrency still just beginning, it seems the market wants Coinbase to prove itself before giving it a premium valuation. As of right now, the average analyst price target is $388, representing an upside of nearly 75%. I believe Coinbase's share price over the next 12 months should be around $375. That's a 35 PE or 11x sales, which I feel is conservative given that Coinbase is expanding its exchange by adding Dogecoin and should continue to see strong user and revenue growth. And one more thing, on the earnings side, the company increased its cash position by more than $900 million in Q1 and now has $1.98 billion in cash. The company is on track to have a similar, if not better, quarter in Q2. And if that's the case, the company will have roughly $3 billion in cash. Now, imagine what Coinbase could do with that much money. Adding new coins, adding new features to its platform, making acquisitions to make its platform better. Now, cryptocurrency has always been very volatile, which makes owning Coinbase a no-brainer. Just think, all that buying and selling as crypto goes up and down is stuffing the pockets of Coinbase. In fact, volume reached 126 billion last Tuesday, which was the most since February, and the second most in Bitcoin history. Talk about printing tendies. That's what Coinbase is doing. What do you think about Coinbase? Do you agree Wall Street has no clue how to value crypto and Coinbase? And as always, if you've watched till the end, you, my friend, are totally awesome. If you could, smash the like button, share this video, and click subscribe to join our family of investors. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. You can help out the channel and earn free money while doing it. First, earn $10 worth of Bitcoin by signing up for a BlockFi interest account and depositing $100. Plus, the added benefit to using BlockFi is that you will earn interest of up to 8.6% annually on your cryptocurrency. Second, earn 2 free stocks worth up to $1,850 by signing up to Webull and depositing $100. Click the links below to get started.